Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Mussels Molho, also called Xinaneao, a spicy, tangy, flavor-packed Goan seafood pickle that tastes even better as it matures. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for mussels or Xinaneao Molho, made with fresh juicy mussels, Kashmiri chillies, garlic, spices, and Goan vinegar. This delicious dish is rich, spicy, slightly tangy, and perfect with steamed rice, Goan fish curry, or even as a starter. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious mussels or Xinaneao Molho. Step 1. Marinating the mussels or Xinaneao. Take 250 grams or quarter kg of mussels or Xinaneao after discarding their shells. Once the mussels are removed from their shell, washed and then cleaned, place them in a mixing bowl. Add quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Mix everything nicely. Ensure all the mussels are marinated properly. Marinated mussels are ready. Cover and keep them aside for at least 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients for the molho masala. Take 6 Kashmiri red chillies. Break the red chillies into smaller pieces and discard most of the seeds and stems. Half-inch piece of ginger. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut the garlic into smaller pieces. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 10 medium-sized black peppercorns. 3 cloves. Half-inch stick of cinnamon. Break the sticks into smaller pieces. Take half cup of Goan vinegar. The taste of molho turns out perfect with Goan vinegar, but you can also use apple cider or palm vinegar if Goan vinegar is not available. Ingredients for cooking: 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the molho masala. In a mixer grinder, add the Kashmiri red chillies. Also add the ginger, garlic, cinnamon sticks, cloves, black peppercorns, cumin or jeera seeds. Add only quarter cup or 60 ml of vinegar first. Add the remaining as required while grinding. Do not add any water in the molho masala. Grind everything to a smooth paste. We added 2 tablespoons of vinegar while grinding. Molho masala is ready. Rinse the mixer with 2 tablespoons of vinegar to remove the leftover masala and save it in a bowl. In total, we used half cup of Goan vinegar for this recipe. Step 4. Frying the mussels or Xinaneao. On medium-low heat in a wide-open thick-bottom pan, add cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated mussels. To learn how to clean mussels or Xinaneao, refer to step 1 of our mussels or Xinaneao rava fry recipe, which is displayed on the right-hand corner of your screen now, or you can find the link in the description box. Fry for around 2 to 3 minutes before turning them. Kashmiri red chili powder can also be used if whole Kashmiri red chilies are not available. Adjust the quantity accordingly. Check and flip them once they are slightly brown. Mussels must release most of its liquid. Try to fry the mussels evenly on both sides. Stir frequently to prevent burning and sticking to the pan. Mussels must be properly fried for the molho to last longer. Ensure that they are not over-fried or burnt. Remove the mussels once they turn slightly brown and keep them aside. Fried mussels are ready. Step 5. Preparing the mussels or Xinaneao Molho. On medium heat in the same pan, once the oil is hot, add the mole masala. If the oil is less, then add 3 tablespoons more of cooking oil. Stir it nicely. To prevent the masala from sticking or burning, add little oil as required. We added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cook the masala for around 2 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 2 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir everything nicely. Add the vinegar that was used to rinse the mixer. Stir everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Check for taste and add whatever is required. We added around 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Oil, vinegar, salt and sugar are natural preservatives which help to preserve the mole for a longer duration. After around 3 to 4 minutes or after the masala has left the sides of the pan, add the fried mussels and mix everything nicely. Ensure all the mussels are completely coated with the masala. Check for salt, sugar, vinegar and add whatever is required. Our mole is now ready. Let the mole cool completely at room temperature before storing. Store the mole in a clean, sterilized, completely dry, airtight glass container. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Let the mole mature for at least 10 to 15 days before consuming. Once matured, keep it in the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. Delicious mussels mole or Xinaneao mole is ready. Serve it with Goan fish curry and steamed rice. To enjoy the ultimate feast, you can simply serve it as a starter and enjoy it on its own. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.